Hi, welcome to Harvest Right. Now that you have a freeze dryer, we're going to show you how to set it up. I think you'll find that setting up your freeze dryer is really easy to do, quick and painless. The first step is to find a location where you're going to put your freeze dryer. Most people put their freeze dryer in their garage, a utility room, a spare bedroom, a basement kitchen, or a room that is not in use. So find a place where you're going to put your freeze dryer, then put it on a secure cart or table. The first thing we're going to do is open the door, remove the door gasket, and run it under some cold water to make sure it's nice and clean. Now that your door gasket has been washed, make sure it is dry or wipe it down with a lint-free cloth and put it back on your freeze dryer. The next step is to fill your vacuum pump with the oil that comes with your freeze dryer. This is a clear mineral oil. First, remove the red cap and fill the oil to the indicated line. This only takes a few seconds. Now replace the cap. Hand tight is perfect. The next step is to attach your vacuum hose. This is easy to do. Screw your hose on just like you would a garden hose and make sure it's nice and hand tight. Do it first to the vacuum pump end and then connect it to your freeze dryer. The reason it's important to make it really nice and hand tight is because if it's not tight, then we won't be able to achieve a proper vacuum. Now plug the vacuum pump into the back of your freeze dryer and switch the pump into the on position. Your freeze dryer will control the vacuum pump. Now pull out your drain hose and make sure it's in the off position. Put the other end of the hose in a bucket or catch basin. Next, plug your power cord into the back of the freeze dryer and plug the other end into the wall. Now turn your freeze dryer on. Now latch the door tight and your freeze dryer is ready to go. Refer to your owner's manual to perform the setup test to make sure that everything is running properly and you're ready to start freeze drying. Long live your food.